Hi, I'm Rob Dana, and today with Fix It Yourself, I'm going to show you how to replace tail light lenses and also how to replace your bulb on a 2007 through 2013 Chevrolet Suburbans and pickups and Tahoes. Okay, we're going to start by taking these two screws out of this light bulb assembly, tail light assembly. Get that out. Some vehicles you can just pull it right out, but on this vehicle we can't. We gotta undo another screw that's up here. We gotta come up here and take this screw out for this corner molding. Okay, now I'm gonna move around to this side, and we popped this little panel out just a little bit like this, about an inch at the top. You can leave the bottom alone. And then we'll come over here and we're going to pull out a little bit on this molding. It pops out here with these little clips a little bit. And you just need to do it a little bit. Then we'll come out here and pop the rest of this out and it'll come right out. And this gives us access to our light bulbs. Like here's your bottom bulb. I think this one's a backup light. And this is the brake light. All right, now that we got the tail light lens out, we can set it down here on the bumper and twist the connector, pull our brake bulb out like that, and we'll get a new one. Okay, got a new one. Gonna pop it back in. Pop it back in. Put it back. Put our connector back in there. Index it and then turn it till it like clicks. All right, then we're gonna put it back together. We're gonna line up our little tangs here. We got one on top, one on the bottom. As you can see here in the taillight lens, we got two little fasteners. They like pop in, one on top, one on the bottom. So what you want to do is come in here, line it up, and line it up, and then just pop it in like that. Okay, now that we got our taillight lens in, I haven't put the screws in yet. But we'll turn the key on and see if the brake lights work. All right. Okay, working good? All right. Okay, like in all jobs, we need to test everything to make sure it's working properly like we did. And now we're ready to put our 3 screws in. That'll finish up our job. And we'd appreciate it if you like and share us on YouTube and Facebook. Thanks.